Hi, my name is Jenny with filtersforlife.com, and I'm going to show you how to change a filter on the new Aprilaire model 4400 air cleaner. The replacement filter is part number 413. First, you'll flip the furnace switch off. Take the door off, set it aside. Take your old filter out. Set that off to the side. Then you will take your new filter, take it out of the box, you'll need to make sure the arrow on the filter is facing towards the furnace. Expand the filter, place the bottom in first, making sure it's lined up with the rails. Then the top. Slide it right in. Take your door, put it right back on. Flip the furnace switch on. Easy as can be.